Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect Facebook page with Meta Business with account. So let's get started. First, you have to go to business.facebook.com and make sure that you're connected with the correct account, and then scroll down till you see the business assets. From here, click add pages under Facebook page, and you can add whichever option here, which is create a new Facebook page, claim an existing Facebook page, or request to share a Facebook page, but I'm just going to click the second one. After you click on that, you can just paste the URL of the Facebook page that you want to add. So we're just going to paste that. Okay, just wait for a minute, and here it will suggest the Facebook page, and I'm just going to click on that, hit next, and just agree to the meta terms and click claim page. Once that's done, it will notify you, and as you can see that the page has been added here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.